Hey, welcome to the snowstorm in Texas, man. I should have made a video when it was coming down hard, but right now, this light work right now, shit. You know what I'm saying? Hey, that's why when you get a vehicle, nigga, you get like an SUV or a truck or something. I got an SUV, nigga. Make sure that bitch got 4x4 on that bitch, man. Cause, you know what I'm saying? But shit, y'all see the road, y'all see the streets, y'all see the roads, man. This shit crazy as a motherfucker, man. I'm in Texas in the middle of February, and this motherfucker is fucking 15 degrees down this bitch with the wind chill like 10, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take you on the journey, nigga. We about to go to shit, I gotta get me some cigarettes, nigga, and only place open to get cigarettes is the hood store, man. So go to the hood store, you know about the hood store, nigga, where you can play fucking the game room, get lottery tickets and all that shit. But shit, man, this shit crazy, man. Like, all my Texas people, man, I know what y'all going through, nigga. This ain't no life, nigga. Look, I'm sliding like a motherfucker right now. Hey, but good thing your boy know how to drive though, shit. Your boy can drive though, man. I ain't tripping. I don't drive through any weather, you know what I'm saying? Cause down here in Texas, nigga, we swing slow anyway, nigga. So I'm used to swinging slow, driving slow, you know what I'm saying? Might pop my trunk on them boys, but nah, I ain't trying to get my speakers. I ain't trying to get my speakers fucked up. You know what I'm saying? But shit, this how we do it, nigga. It's cold in the motherfucker, man. I'm a Texas boy, I ain't used to this cold. I give shout outs to all the niggas on the East Coast and the Midwest that be dealing with this cold, nigga. Y'all a special breed. But I can deal with that heat though, nigga. I can deal with that heat for real. So we just I'm gonna take you on the voyage to the hood store, man. This the hood of my city, man. You know what I'm saying? I need to go check in on mom. Checked in on yesterday. I might go check in on today. I don't know. See what happened. But yeah, these are the neighborhoods. See, watch how you got these nice houses. You know what I'm saying? Good houses. You know what I'm saying? Starting from the hood. You know, 2-story houses, man. We look good down there in Texas, man. Y'all need to come down here to Texas and visit, man. We look good, bro. We live good down here, man. What y'all niggas say? Outside, nigga. I'm outside in the snow, nigga. It's cold as a motherfucker. But yeah, that's how we do it. You know, once you get in the hood, the connection start fucking up. So the video might end. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? Alright, but make sure y'all check out my channel, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna start putting on some content. I might start like doing a cooking channel or something, cause you know your boy like to cook. If you know me, you know I can cook like a motherfucker. If you know me, you know what I'm saying? But this is Texas right now, man. It's snowed out, iced out. You know what I'm talking about? So I don't know what's going on in this bit. So y'all be safe out here, man. Everybody in Texas, man, y'all be safe, man. Bundle up. I know power going out. I know motherfuckers ain't got power for like five days now. So shit, y'all just do what y'all do, man. Shit, I got my power. Nah, I'm tripping. I'm tripping. Let's see. Yep. I knew the hood store was gonna be open. I knew that. Yeah, bro. We're gonna ride in this bitch real quick. Nah, I'm gonna get some cigarettes. And you gonna have on a 12-pack? Yeah, let's go have on a 12-pack. Fuck it. I ain't gotta wait till Monday, so yeah, I'm tripping. I ain't tripping. Alright, but it's the end of the video. Y'all be safe. One love.